Today, I'm going to show you a little trick how to machine a part that has holes in the surface or faces of a solid. This will work in either surfaces or solids. One thing you run into when you machine these types of geometry, when the software sees that hole, it wants to jump over that hole. So in this back plot, you can see that the tool is jumping over the holes. And at this point in time, some machines will give you a bad surface finish. In other machines, it might gouge the part. There are several ways to get around this. What I usually do is I'll create a new level and give it a name. This way, in 6 months, when I have to come back and modify something, I know what I use for a drive surface. Then I'll go from faces from solids. I'll pick my face, confirm my selection. And now I'll turn off my solid so you can see what we have, the result we got. Right now we have a surface with several holes in it. Now I can manipulate the surface in several ways. First, I'm going to use the untrim function. And I'm going to remove a boundary. When I select the surface and I put the arrow close to one of these holes, it's going to ask me, do I want to remove all the interior boundaries or not? I'm going to say no at this time, because I just want to show you that you can do one at a time if necessary. It depends on what you're doing. In this case here, I'll do it once again and get rid of all the geometry because I don't need that. Now I'm going to modify the toolpath. And I'm going to re-select my drive geometry. And once we recalculate, we'll get a much smoother toolpath. Another trick I use is to remove the trimming from the surface altogether. This gives me the ability to go past the part. If I turn the part back on, you'll see what I'm talking about a little bit better. I'm just going to do a quick back plot here to show you the toolpath updated. It's going the full length of the surface rather than the trim portion of it. Now if we look at the solid model superimposed, you can see that we are going extended. Say the block didn't have the radiuses on it in the corners, we could actually go past that block. And also we have the ability to extend even further if necessary. So if it's necessary to extend further, we can use another trick. We can go into our extend function. And we're going to pick our surface and pick what side we want to extend. I'm going to say 100 thousandths here because I don't need it quite that long. And I'll do the same on the opposite side. Now this gives us a little bit of extension on either side. Say those radiuses weren't there and we needed to go past that area. If we go back and take a closer look at the toolpath now, and you can see that I need to update it. So we're going to cancel out. And I'm just going to go quickly into geometry here and reselect the drive surface. And once I recalculate, we'll have an extended toolpath that will smoothly cut across the holes and extend past the length of the rough block potentially. Thank you for watching this video. Please take the time to subscribe to our channel. You'll be notified each time a new video is uploaded.